Hey there, Brock Elementary parents and students. It's Miss Griffith here with your Brock Elementary update for April 6th through April 9th. And there's my dog that's also here too. Anyways, I wanted to share a couple things with you guys. Miss Lane has created this video that will kind of go over with you the instruction that we're going to be rolling out today at 10 o'clock. We made a couple adjustments just as we were getting feedback, and so we wanted to make sure that we talk to you guys about those things, so you can check that out here. A few reassurances. First and foremost, we want you to know that we're making adjustments. We're willing to do whatever we need to best support our families and our kids as through this time. And so we're learning with you. We do not want to ever cause extra stress to parents or kids. We just want to provide meaningful resources to you guys and work together so that we can get through this together. So one of the things, Zooms are not mandatory by any means, but we are, we want to provide those so that our kids can feel connected to each other and to their teacher. And I feel like we just need parents to know that don't stress if you can't get in one or can't participate a couple times during a week. It's okay. We just want to be able to provide the opportunity for when people can. First and foremost, your well-being and your family's well-being is our number one concern. If there's anything that you need, if there's anything that we can provide for you to make this experience better for you, then please know that reach out to us and we will do anything we can to provide that. We're so proud of how hard our students are working, and the participation that we've had to this point has been fabulous, and we know that's because of how awesome our parents are, and we appreciate you so much. I'm so sorry, my dog keeps barking because there's horses coming up in the field. Another thing, Wi-Fi hotspots went out last week, but also for those of you that did not get one, or maybe you just need internet for a minute, that all of the Brock ISD parking lots now in the schools are now extended Wi-Fi into the parking lot, so you don't even have to get out of your car. You can just go and pull up, and then you'll just be able to get internet. So I want to wish very happy birthday to all of our kiddos that from spring break until now have had birthdays. We just want you to know that we are wishing you a very, very happy birthday, and hope that you guys were able to come up with creative ways to celebrate you. So our staff birthday, Miss Baker, she's joined us this year, and it's just been an amazing addition. So happy birthday to her and to all these students: Will Lewis, Wyatt Winfrey, Chloe Holt, Cooper Hooten, Jackson Poole, Ellie Clark, Tinsley Crudup, Carly Nelson, Riley Holloway, Michelle Angel Leal, Hannah Herring, Lane Blancho, Joseph McIntyre, Violet Castaneda, Zadie Whitehead, and Bryson Duggar. We wish all of you guys a very happy birthday. We'll be including birthdays each week as we go, and if we missed anybody, we'll make sure to add you to the next one. We will be also working on getting our Fly Fridays back up and running, and Miss Lane and I are working through that, and we'll get you guys more details to come. Again, here's more information on Brock ISD meal services, the ISD online learning resources, and also some information about the special ed referral process if you are needing information on that. I hope you guys have a fabulous week. Please reach out if you need anything, and be looking for some special stuff to come from Brock Elementary this week. Have a great day. Go Eagles.